Hello and welcome to my presentation of the final rubric. I've compared the three companies, Lego, which is the world's largest toy producer. Uh, they make the toys out of plastic bricks, and then you can buy them in sets and put them together. They also own an amusement park called Legoland. Bestseller is a clothing business that owns approximately 20 clothing brands where they design and distribute and sell them. Uh, Grundfos is a world leader in production of circulation pumps, which are mostly used for water, but can also be used for other liquids or gas. Uh, the three companies have that in common that they are all family owned, and they are part of the largest businesses based in Denmark. They have each done a lot of the same things during the pandemic, like work from home or donate money and stopping international travels. Uh, Lego and Grundfos have produced personal protective equipment for the healthcare workers, and Lego has also given full ticket refund. And Bestseller and Lego have received government aid, and Bestseller has closed all their stores, and then they didn't want to pay rent for those closed stores, and they are the only company to have fired employees. Grundfos have paid subcontractors earlier than what the original contract has agreed on, and they have pre-booked flights and hotels into the future. So since a lot of the actions are the same, the stakeholders and the type of interest are very much the same as well. Most of them is internal, and then because they don't take money for the PPE they are making, Lego and Grundfos, it is universal because it gives to the society. And of marketing, most of it is social marketing, where they want to change the behavior of the society in order to get on top of this crisis. And then when they donate things, it's of course philanthropic marketing. I've put the action by Bestseller that they stopped to pay rent as greenwashing / social washing, because normally you want to paint the picture better than it is, but here they painted it worse than it actually is, since they eventually paid the rent anyway. Therefore, Bestseller is also very low on the SLO score, with the calls for boycotts of their products. Since Lego has received government aid, they can't get the highest approval of the community, but in general, the community have approved a lot of Lego's action. And Grundfos have done really well through this crisis, and therefore they have a very high SLO right now. Since Bestseller really needs some good PR right now, they should donate some of the spring collection that they can't sell before the summer collection arrives in their stores. They could donate it to the homeless people that actually need clothing. And for the future internal, I've suggested Lego could develop bricks that used less new plastic and more recycled plastic. And for Grundfos, they should partner up with a solar panel producer and make a unit together that could be installed in rural areas to provide clean water for the people there. So Grundfos have definitely done the best throughout this pandemic for now, and the public has been very happy with them. And Bestseller have done the worst by far. So that's it. Thank you for listening.